Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer tokens between wallets with Ledger Live. Complete guide step by step. Open the Ledger Live application on your computer or mobile device. Connect your Ledger hardware wallet to your device and unlock it with your PIN. Ensure your firmware and Ledger Live application are updated to the latest versions. Navigate to the Accounts tab located on the left sidebar of the application. Select the account from which you want to transfer tokens. Click on the Send button located at the top right corner. In the recipient field, enter the wallet address you are sending tokens to. Make sure to double-check the address for accuracy to avoid any mistakes. Select the token you wish to transfer from the drop-down menu. Enter the amount of tokens you want to send. Review the transaction details carefully, including fees and the recipient address. Click on Continue to proceed. A prompt will appear on your hardware wallet for confirmation. Review the transaction details again directly on your Ledger device. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction by pressing the appropriate buttons on your device. Wait for the transaction to be processed, which may take a few moments. Once confirmed, you will receive a notification in Ledger Live about the successful transfer. You can check the Accounts tab to verify that the tokens have been deducted from your account. If needed, you can also check the recipient wallet to ensure the tokens have arrived. That completes the process of transferring tokens between wallets using Ledger Live. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.